unboxings. Let's go!
Yo, and welcome to having looking at a couple of fidgets I picked up today that arrived today from Mr. Andrew Jones. I think I saw the first post in Daily Fidget Marketplace. I'm pretty sure of it. We literally had a little chat and then I decided to pick it up because I was looking for one of these. It was absolutely perfect timing, and was sent out a special delivery yesterday and it arrived today. So let's have a look at what I got in the classic Pelican case. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And there it is in the middle, the TI Toad X free clicker from Magnus himself. Been looking for a free click and a Magnus for a long time. Wow, a little time, and here it is in its glory. I will show you that one last. Lovely packaging. Oh, and I got an extra one. Little 3D printed sandwich. Let's have a look at this one first, shall we? Oh yeah, it's pretty damn basic, but as a freebie, thank you very much. Not bad at all. Let's move that out of the way for the minute. Let's have a look inside. Feels like, sounds like there's ball bearings in there. Oh, there certainly is. Right, I'm going to open up both sides first. There's the sandwich in the middle, the bit of ham, a bit of cheese, 3 ball bearings in the middle, with tracks either side. Oh, I wonder if you can put. Nah, don't know. There's the sandwich. I'm going to remove these little ball bearings and show you the other side. White is not the best for this camera. Lighting. It's got some tracks, 3 magnets in the middle, a groove pattern on the side there, and obviously, oh no, do you want to do that? And obviously the same this side. I wonder what it'd be like with no sandwich. Oh, no strong magnets. It's got a little jump to it. Canet ladder. It's got nice strong magnets. Very light. Very light. Yeah. Not the greatest, but it's free, and I'm sure my son would enjoy it. Very jumpy like a man in the night, a woman in the night, or a man. And I don't want to go in that side. I would probably prefer it, or maybe not that side. Let's put this in first. Now that ain't gonna work, is it? Very strong magnets with these. Get that out. Get one side in first. Wow. That is ridiculous. This is what happens when you try and do it on camera. God's sake, that's very strong. I'm in one side. It's probably best as a pit. Like a. Wow. Was going to be a short video, but at this rate, done. Look at that. Side by side action. A bit of pinch and move, pinch and groove. very basic, not the best, but as I said, it's free, so no way am I going to moan about that. That'd be going straight to my son. Next up, we have the one I do know about. This is a TI Stonewall, so I love the look of it. It looks absolutely stunning. Go amazing with this little book. So it's going to sit in there. I didn't know. Oh, don't know what happened there. But I did see this. He did send me a video of it, and it's a little hybrid. So first up, you got a clicker. Lovely, strong at the top. A little groove in the middle, a little dimple, which is nice. You can also one up. You can go more than one. That's just inside. Obviously, ladder's better when this out. Let's have a look in the inside. Oh, straight on the phone's camera. As you can see, it's got a ball bearing in the middle with 2, 4, 6, 8 magnets on each side. This ball bearing can come out, which I'm going to show you that in a minute. And this side, you've got a little track for your ball bearing to go up and down on, and also 8 magnets on this side as well. It feels very nice. Probably do a full review. Oh, that sounds good. Real nice. Is it a 2 click or a 3? Probably a bit 3. Does sound nice. Does it ladder? Oh, not like that. Yeah, it does ladder. Not the best. Very nice. It's just a quick look. I asked Andrew who made this, but we do not know who made this one. So this is one's unknown. I'm going to go under the unknown section at the moment. But yes, so you can use this as a clicker or a slider. My little girl will love the clicks. Go one up, down. Or you can go past the ball bearing. A little hybrid TI. There it is. In action. So we move them two into the Pelican case. Lovely packaging by Andrew. And here it is. The TI Magnus Toad X. Very nice. Perfect condition, I must say. He did say that in his post. Very happy with the condition. With Zerk plates. 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Gosh. I did get the Zerk plate. Ah, that laddering's nice. So probably took the ring off. Lovely. Do you like the sound? I'll probably do a full review on this one and the TI. Very nice laddering. I do like that. Side by side action, if I can get it. But yeah, this is just a quick look at them all. I'll go over specs, facts and that on the full main review. But thank you to Andrew Jones for these. Lovely, smooth transaction. And a freebie to go in there for my son. Oh, that's so nice. So here they all are. 1, 2, 3. We've got the Toad X from Magnus. You've got an unknown TI clicker, slider, which is very nice. I like that. And we got the white sandwich, which is very, very light, too light, but my son will enjoy it. So thank you very, very much. There you go. There is a little bit of unboxing today and what I received in the post. Thank you, Andrew. This has been Pocket Dump. We are out. Until next time. Laters.